We signed the most significant gun safety law y'all passed in nearly 30 years. And now we have to ban assault weapons and high-capacity magazines.
Ooh, that's a bingo.
I did it once as a senator, and we'll do it again. We also have to codify Roe v. Wade and defend...
Help! Somebody help!
And defend the sacred right to vote. And we have to finally fix the broken immigration system, for God's sake. First piece of legislation I introduced. On my first day in office, I sent an immigration reform bill to the Congress.
That's not my name. That's not my name.
One that recognizes immigrants' contributions to this country, provides a pathway to citizenship for dreamers